Hello guys, welcome to Tech Squad. Today I am talking about how to promote your YouTube video and how to get 10k views. Alright, now I am just uploading random video. File is rejected. Now try again. Now it's uploading right now. How to get 10k views and earn money from channel. Okay, yeah, right here YouTube, the title will be attractive. We will copy this, and now we search about some how to earn on YouTube. These kind of videos I search, how to promote YouTube video. Now you can check, I have installed this extension VidIQ. It's for YouTube. It shows how many views videos have, which keywords are added in it. You can just check the first video, which keywords added by him. Now check, it's scrolling up. Right now it's advertisement. You can check this, it's loading. Now it's showing all the data which video is.
So what are the best ways to promote your YouTube channel and your videos? We're gonna share.
We have selected. You can check this. These keywords he have added. I just installed this VidIQ Chrome extension. You can check this. I have copied this first keyword and paste it to my video. And now the second one is, you can copy which keyword which you like, just like this. Now next one is this, and okay, now we will try the next video which have more views, just like it have views. Now it's scrolling up. Just wait a second, there is some problem with my battery. I'm now charging my laptop. Now it's charging up. Wait a second. Oh, right now it's open. There are many ways to how to search keywords for YouTube video. You can just search from Google, just like here, how to promote.
I'm gonna tell you how to promote your YouTube channel, and we're starting right now.
Silent is. It's open. We can check this, which things he have added. First of all, it's loading up now he is promoting himself. You can check this. He added the tag of himself and how to promote YouTube channel, how to promote YouTube channel. He have added these kind of key tags. Now we can have ways to promote your YouTube channel. We will add all these tags in our video. It will boost our views. Our video will show in this search, parallel in this search. Somewhere our video will shows in it. You can check this. We will copy this and paste it, and you can promote. You can check here, there are different keywords. You can also go search on Google how to promote YouTube video. Okay, how you can copy these keywords from it and paste it here, and site to promote YouTube video, just like our YouTube channel promotion. Which one you like to copy, you can paste here. Okay, now you can also promote it from Facebook or AdWords, where you want. You can also promote it from Facebook. You can add it on your Facebook page and boost the video, not directly, indirectly. Just promote the page, it will redirect to the YouTube channel, then it will promote it by Facebook. And you can also promote it from AdWords. You can promote your videos with AdWords. It's loading up. You have to pause. After publishing the video, you can share it in your group just like this, or you can share on your page which you want to share, or create new page and boost it. You can check this out. Any kind of page you have this page with your brand, you can share it on it. Okay, leave the video right now, it's uploading. Right now we will search Google AdWords. You can also promote your video with this ad keyword planner. There is some problem. Sign into AdWords. Right now it's signing up, and I also open my page where I share my video. You can just check this out. Okay, there is some problem in internet, it's much slow. You can share your video URL here, any kind of stuff, and also add the keywords which we search in the last search. These keywords with hashtag. Okay, just like copy these and paste here, add the hashtag, just like hit this hashtag how to YouTube. Okay, make this join. Just like this, we will add this. These kind of things we have to add. Log into your Gmail account. Log into your Gmail account for AdWords. You can promote your YouTube video with Facebook page. There is new feature for YouTube. You can automatically answer your customer. You can add 2-3 questions in it, and it will auto reply. Now you can promote your video from Facebook page. You have to promote your page and have more like and more views. Then your video also have more views and more likes and more time. You have to complete your time and 10,000 views, then you will get the AdSense for YouTube. Just wrap it up. Now this extension for Chrome, you can add it and check the stats of the video. There is a bug in Chrome, I think so. It's just loading up. Firefox, there is bug in Firefox. It's just loading up, nothing happened. You can check here, all things are working fine in Chrome, but there is some problem in Firefox. I have updated the version, but it's not working properly, and the speed is much high, but it's not responding. Now come to Facebook. Just promote your Facebook page or Facebook post which you want to promote. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel.